Welcome to another video on my fischertechnik hydraulics set with rubber interface, power motor, obviously, then gears and the hydraulics set. Hydraulics has an immediate response, and I want to automate it, roboticize it actually. So I want to do it by chain, but last time I found out that this motor works way too fast. And another motor that has the same power but goes slower is not in my possession right now. I've ordered it. But how do I slow it down? Well, I can slow it down by making this the driving gear and then add a very small gear. Hopefully that will work out. But then I do need a second gear. And another gear under it. So until I have that second motor, which will be, by the way, 125 to 1, goes way slower, then I won't need another gear drive, but who knows. Let's first replace this smaller gear and add this gear and this one. Let's see how that works out. And then, by the way, it's all programmed in Python. So let's see how it goes. Right, so on the screen you can see now in a different perspective the hydraulic set, then also Python and diagnostics. But first I do need to change something, which is that I put this gear much further inside. And then it would be nice if it actually was connected. Alright, that's better. Then I need to put this one on it, and this one needs to be right over this one, or more appropriately the replacement. So let's see how this one works out. And I do need some distance between these two because the chain is going over it. So let's see how this works out. Yeah. Oh, this one is not strong enough connected. And now it is on the other way. Okay, let's hope this works. Then this gear goes. And yeah, that's a little bit of a problem then. But also this one needs to be somewhere right here in order to be effective. Yeah, I need a solution for that so that it stays horizontal. And this one needs to be further inside. So I need to have a solution for that. The other point is obviously if this one is going to change it, is my idea good enough? So one is going to drive it, slow it down, and the other one takes the chain. So why would I need two of these? I had it clear in mind, and then doubt comes. Let me think again. So one reconstruction done, and let me show what I did. So the lower gear has been replaced. The same gear is here, and this gear is in the opposite direction, exactly also under this gear. So this big one will drive the gear which is under here, and then it should drive this one. The only thing that I noticed when I was done is that right now, let me get the camera in place, that this gear is not aligned anymore with the hydraulics, so I need to shift this one back, and this one is the plate. So I have to do that before I can try and see how that works out. The other thing is, can I get this smaller? No, I can't, because this gear has a length, and that length is exactly this long. So let's see how this will work out in speed. Can all be a very nice idea, but if the speed doesn't work out, it's all for nothing. So first, it's motor 1. How can I get a nice lighting like this? Yeah, right. And that goes here by enormous speed. So actually it should be the other way around. This so this should be this side should be the driving speed, and then this one should be here, so they have to be turned around. Comes in the length of this chain. That is a problem right now, because it is next to impossible to have two gears of this size inside the chain. So my first idea was best. Let's just change that, and then also I have to change this whole setup. I have to change the whole setup, or wait for the other motor, which drives much slower. but let's do it anyway. Well, this works, obviously. So this one goes. Let's just take this one, go in here somewhere. Let's put it for now there. Oh, that might be another solution, of course. Because when this one is running over it, how fast will that one go? So, holding this, and yes, I do realize that lighting is not optimal in this with the equipment that I have. Far from optimal, but it will have to do. So, see, and that is way better in speed. Compare this with this. And in that situation, I can do it. So let me mount this one after all. Let's see if I can do it. Alright, so now I have put it like this, which is not ideal because the weight is pulling it down, so I need to reconstruct it, and that means that I take such a part like this and goes like here, same part, same way here, and then this is much robuster, much more robust, how do you say it, and then I can remove this part, although I'll leave it at that. So with this result, let's run it again. And now with the chain on it, I have to be very careful, because this part is on it and stays on it. So for the time being, let's put this hydraulics part here. I know it does work, but let's just see. Yeah, it could be missing 2 links and have it all tightened up, but let's just try this. And this is an acceptable speed. This is a very acceptable speed. So if I now put things backwards, let's just do it. We were running out of time. time just a little bit, but let's try it like this. Alright, and yes, then the hydraulics is exactly in the right location. So with this gear train it has to work. It will work. And when I have the slower motor, who knows? Well, the slow motor has one very big advantage. It's much stronger, slower and stronger. So it will be a whole new reconstruction, but this will do for now. Which the other motor will absolutely make this gear train obsolete. So all this construction goes away then. But that's for later. So let's run this for a moment. Yeah, I have to go to the correct directory. And then say Python .py and go for a moment, see where it ends. Invalid syntax. Right. Okay, I don't need this right now, and I don't need this right now. So now from time. Okay, try again. It has no attribute set motor. Really? Okay, that's for another time. It seems that each of my experience has an oops in it, and this is one of those oopses. But this works, kind of. Alright, and that's the end of this attempt to get hydraulics roboticized, motorized. This needs to change a bit, obviously, and with another motor, like I said, this whole construction goes away. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video some thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. And you can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. More information and the link to my website please see under this video, or see next segment with all information. This is to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.